how everyday people can leverage AI to enhance their lives. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence (AI) is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction or the exclusive domain of researchers and tech giants. AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, offering tools and applications that enhance efficiency, productivity, and even creativity. Here's how everyday people can leverage AI to make their lives easier and more enjoyable. Personalized recommendations. One of the most visible ways AI impacts our daily lives is through personalized recommendations on streaming services, online shopping, and even social media. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify use AI algorithms to analyze your past behavior and preferences to suggest movies, products, or songs you might like. By taking advantage of these recommendations, you can discover new favorites and save time browsing. Smart home devices. AI-powered smart home devices, such as thermostats, lights, and security cameras, can learn from your habits and preferences to create a more comfortable and secure living environment. For instance, a smart thermostat can adjust the temperature based on your schedule and preferences, ensuring your home is always comfortable while saving energy. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are powered by AI to help you with a wide range of tasks, from setting reminders and sending messages to providing weather updates and answering questions. These assistants can simplify your daily routines and increase your productivity. Health and fitness. AI is also transforming health and fitness by providing personalized workout and diet plans based on your goals, preferences, and progress. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Freeletics use AI to analyze your input and offer guidance that can help you achieve your health and fitness objectives more effectively. Financial management. AI-powered financial apps can help you manage your finances better by tracking your spending, categorizing expenses, and even offering insights into your financial habits. Tools like Mint and YNAB, You Need a Budget, can assist in creating budgets, setting savings goals, and identifying areas where you can cut back on spending. Language learning. AI-driven language learning apps, such as Duolingo and Babbel, offer personalized learning experiences that adapt to your pace and proficiency level. These platforms use AI to identify your strengths and weaknesses, providing exercises and lessons tailored to your needs, making language learning more efficient and engaging. Enhancing creativity. AI can also enhance creativity. Tools like Canva use AI to suggest design layouts, color schemes, and fonts, making it easier for you to create professional-looking designs without any graphic design experience. AI is a powerful tool that, when leveraged correctly, can significantly enhance our lives.